Now, example number 2. See once again. In the example 1, he asking only mass. But in the example 2, he asking the mass, volume and number of molecules at the STP condition. So this we discuss STP later. Now see what first of all I am reading as a question. Once listen. Calculate the volume, mass and number of molecules of hydrogen liberated when 230 grams of sodium, yet 230 grams sodium is there, react with excess of water at STP. STP nothing but standard, S for standard, T for temperature and P for pressure. Standard, temperature and pressure. It means at the STP condition, means room temperature. Here volume and number of molecules are fixed. In this condition, volume and number of molecules are same, fixed, stationary, constant values. That values we discussed in the sum. Now, at the same time here, atomic mass of the sodium we gave 23 units and oxygen is 16 and also hydrogen is 1 unit. So what is the equation? See here, 2Na plus 2H2O gives rise to 2NaOH plus 2H2. Only H2. Yes. See here, the reacted sides, 2 sodiums are there. At the same time here 2 NaOH. It nothing but 2 are the sodium, 2 are the oxygen, 2 are the hydrogen. Anyway here how many sodiums are there? Only 2. In the reacted sides also only 2 sodiums. Protectors also 2 sodiums. Sodiums are already balanced. Now here 2H2O. HS 2H2, nothing but 2 2s are 4 H's are there. In the reactor sides 4 hydrogen molecules. Here, see here in the protector sides, here 2Na, 2O, 2H and then here 2H's plus again here 2H's, 4H's is already balanced. Next oxygen are there, 2 oxygens, here 2 oxygens are there. Here already this is a balanced equation. In the example 2, you gave already balanced equation. So here don't go for the again balancing because of it is already balanced. Now you can go for the solving the problem. Here asking the calculate the volume, mass and number of molecules. So without mass we are not calculate the volume. If you want to calculate the volume, mass is required. So that's why first you have to calculate the mass. Then after you have to calculate the volume and number of molecules. So now I am going to calculate the mass of the hydrogen. He asking the question, volume, mass and number of molecules of hydrogen. Hydrogen is important. And at the same time he gave 230 grams of sodium. These two are the most important. Given is the sodium, asking the question about the hydrogen. So here it means you have to use the mass of the sodium, calculate the mass of the hydrogen. So these two are important. Anyway, what is the equation? 2 nothing but write the 2 sodium, right, plus here 2 2 is a 4, it means 4 hydrogens. So write 4 directly, 4H plus these 2 for oxygen also, 2 oxygen. This compound is whole, put the bracket, plus gives rise to, in the protected sides, 2Na, 2O, 2H. So 2Na, 2 into Na plus 2 into oxygen plus 2 into H. This compound is also whole, big bracket, plus here 2H, 2 into H. Now substitute the atomic masses of the sodium, oxygen, hydrogen. Here 2 sodium atomic mass is given in the question. How much? 23 units. 23 plus 4 into H. 4 H is 1. Because of hydrogen atomic mass is 1 in the question they give. Plus 2 into oxygen mass. 2 into oxygen is how much? 16. It is also over. Now gives rise to 2Na. 2Na value is 23 plus 2 into 16 plus 2 into H. This compound is also over. Plus 2H. 2 into H is 1. 2 here. 2 into 23. So 23 twos are 46. 46 grams. This. Plus 4 ones are 4 plus this one black. Okay. 4 ones are 4 plus 32 because of 16 twos are 32. It's over. Gives rise to 46 plus 2 into 16 32 plus 2 into 1. H value is 1. So 2 into 1 2. Here 1 is in the place of H1. 2 ones are 2. This compound is also over. Plus 2 ones are 2. Now 46 plus 4 plus 32. How much? 36. Gives rise to 46 plus 32. How much? 78. 46 plus 32. 78 plus 2. How much? 78 plus 2. 80 plus 2. So 46 plus 36. 82. 80 plus 2. 82. So the mass of the reactor sets is equal to mass of the projector sets. So according to law of the conservation of the mass. Now here first one, see in the equation, this is a sodium. First compound is a sodium. So it's the mass of the sodium. It is the mass of the sodium. Is a H2O. It is the mass of the water. But water you don't want. Why? Because of in the question you are asking the only mass, volume and the number of molecules of the hydrogen and is giving the sodium. Just you have to take as a sodium value and hydrogen value. First one is the sodium. This is the water molecules. This is a sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide mass. This is a H2 hydrogen mass. Just you can consider only sodium and H2. Why? Because of we asking all the values, volume, mass and number of molecules of the hydrogen. So here sodium and H2, these two. So sodium mass is how much? 46 grams. Here you got it, 46 grams. So 2 grams hydrogen. Hydrogen is 2 grams. 2 grams. In the question he gave, again he gave sodium mass. Sodium mass how much? 230 grams. So in the place of the sodium 230 grams. He asking the hydrogen mass. Second time he asking the H. So hydrogen mass we don't know. First in this place you can take as X. For example, this mass is X grams. You put the X. Now you can go for the cross multiplications. Now 46 into X. 46 into X. 46 into X is equal to. Again these two. 230 into 2. 230 into 2. We need the X. So what is the value? If you want here in the here you can find the X value. If you want find the X value, this 46 is coming down. X is equal to 230 grams. 230 into 2 by 46. Now cancellation, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 23 ones are 23 tens are. after the cancellation x value is 10 into 1, 10 only, so 10 divided by 1, 1 you don't write, so x is equal to 10 grams, x is equal to 10 grams. X means hydrogen, so mass of first, so mass of the hydrogen is how much? Hydrogen is 10 grams. So mass already calculated. Now, so in the question asking the volume, mass, number of molecules. We got the mass. Now we get the mass of the hydrogen. Now we are going for the volume. So how to calculate the volume? From the above equation, 2 grams. So 2 grams hydrogen of, so here 2 grams we give. So how to get this value? By the calculating the masses of the, these all the compounds, by using the masses or atomic masses of the given elements. So in this equation, first sodium, then water, sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. So the last one is hydrogen. So after substituting these values, so these are 2 grams. The 2 grams of hydrogen is there. But now we are going for the calculating the volume of the hydrogen at STP. STP means what happens? Standard temperature and pressure. At the STP condition, so here 2 grams. These 2 grams, it is occupied a fixed value. That's why we gave STP. So these 2 grams of hydrogen, it occupied the 22.4 liters volume. So, but finally here we got the mass is 10 grams. So 10 grams mass is 10 grams. So 10 grams mass is how much volume is occupied? This is question. So now how to calculate the volume? Second question is a volume. So we can calculate the volume. So from the above equation, hydrogen how much is 2 grams? So hydrogen 2 grams. So these 2 grams hydrogen occupied the 22.4 liters of the volume. That's why you got it. These 4 values are fixed value because of STP conditions. That's why in the question you give STP. STP means you can take the volume is 22.4. So that's why I'm taking as a 22.4 grams. And in the finally in the here you got the mass is how much? Mass is 10 grams. Mass is 10 grams. So mass of the hydrogen 10 grams. For the 10 grams of the hydrogen is occupied how much volume? This question. So 2 grams occupied the 22.4 liters. So 10 grams of the hydrogen, it is occupied how much volume? That is question. So you can take as a 10 here. So second time volume you don't know, put as a x. Go, you can go for the cross multiplications. 2 into x is equal to 22.4 into 10. Now x is equal to 22.4 into 10 by 2. This 2 is coming down. 2 1s are 2 5s are. X is equal to 2 5. So 22.4 into 5. X is equal to 5 4s are 20. 2 here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 is above. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So liters. Now volume is how much? 1120 liters. This is the volume. Now you can go for the third question. Number of molecules. Number of see here. So 22.4 into 5. So multiplications. 20.4 into 5. This much will come. After one decimal point, a point is there. So here volume is how much? Volume is equal to, so 112 liters. 112 liters LTS. Now we are going for the number of molecules. Number of molecules. molecules. So same 2 grams of hydrogen at the STP condition, so it is occupied the 6.023 into 10 power of 23. So from the above equation already we did 2 grams of hydrogen. So 2 grams hydrogen at the STP, the number of molecules are the fixed. So 6.023 into 10 power 23 is a fixed value for the STP. Number of molecules are fixed for the STP conditions. But in the second time we got the how much hydrogen mass? 10 grams is a question mark. Huh? So now we can go for the cross multiplications. 2 into x is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Bring the x is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 by 2. 2 is the multiplication, coming this side divisions. Okay. Now x is equal to cancellation.